Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sudha Rani, Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Welcome back to our Object-Oriented Programming through Java Laboratory series. In the previous experiment 6a, we discussed the exception handling mechanism in Java, the basics of try and catch. In today's video, experiment 6b, we will explore multiple catch clauses in Java. So the syntax is as shown on the left side. So try inside, which is like the risky code, is written inside try, and then we can have multiple catch blocks. The first catch block can be exception type 1 and exception type 2 and exception type 3, and how we are going to handle that exception, the handler is written inside each catch block. The purpose of this is a single try block can throw different types of exceptions. By writing multiple catch blocks, we can handle different exception types separately with appropriate logic. Only one catch block executes, the first one whose type matches the thrown exception. Once one catch is executed, the others are skipped. Catch blocks must be ordered from most specific to most general. For example, arithmetic exception must come before exception. If no catch matches, the program will terminate abnormally after the try block. Okay, the program begins by reading command line arguments. So the first argument is the numerator. So we are reading it saying integer.parseInt and args0. The second argument is the denominator. So why we are using integer.parseInt is to convert the string input into an integer. If the input is not a valid integer, like for say example ABC is given as an argument, this will throw number format exception. Then we are trying to perform division operation. So we are saying int result is equal to num by 10. The program attempts to divide number, okay, which is numerator by denominator. If it is successful, it prints the result. If the denominator is equal to 0, say for example I am trying to perform 10 divided by 0, it throws arithmetic exception. The program uses nested try catch blocks to handle different errors. The arithmetic exception is the inner try catch. So inside it, like we are saying, cannot divide with 0. If we try to attempt to divide 10 divided by 0, then it prints cannot divide with 0. So this catch handles division by 0. And the next outer try catch is the number format exception, which will handle non-integer input. Say for example I gave ABC as an input, so it prints input is not of integer type. The outer try catch is for array index out of bounds exception. So this handles missing arguments. So we are taking the arguments as command line arguments, and say I forgot to give the second argument. So in that case it handles and prints insufficient inputs. So what did we do in this program? So we have read two integers from command line, divides them safely with error handling, and we are printing clear messages for errors like missing input and invalid input and divide by 0. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.